Mike McConville here again for String Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. I've had to shift gears a little bit. I was going to glue those back braces on, but the humidity kind of jumped. It's pouring rain out. So I've shifted up to the attic, but we got a couple other interesting things on the go. So we've got this Larrivee. We're going to be putting a compensated nut on and then tweaking that bridge saddle and getting this set up for John. We also have Stratocaster, American Strat for Gary, that we're going to put a set of these ratio tuners on, and we'll walk you through that step by step. So here's another quick tip for tremolo systems. You really got to make sure that that claw is not scraping the plate on the inside. A lot of the times that'll be the source of your tuning problems. So these are actually quite malleable. You can give them a little bit of a tap just to make sure that when you put that plate on, nothing's scraping on, because in this case this side was sitting up a little high, so we just tapped that a little bit and made sure that we got 100% clearance on the underside of that plate. Before we get started here, just wanted to show you that each tuner actually has a dedicated string. So this is 6. I've got them lined up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So they do have to be in the right order because there's a gear ratio, thus the name, dedicated for each string gauge. Pretty easy switch over. You do have to order these special plates, indexing plates, for the replacement tuners for a fender, but you just slip that plate on and those two little indexing pins index the original holes, which is beautiful. There's no drilling. I have mentioned this in previous videos, but don't reef on these things. Very easy to strip. Just snug them down until that washer doesn't rattle. I can hear acoustically how accurate the machining is on these tuners. Kerry spent more time trying to tune this guitar than he ever did trying to play it. You do have to order these special plates. They don't come with the tuners for Fender guitars specifically. It's a no-brainer, man. Put these things on. Old ones out, new ones in. Piece of cake. Okay, install's complete. Now for the acid test. Now we compare apples to apples. Well, those ratio tuners, even with those strings that have been tightened and loosened numerous times, they still outperform the Fenders, no issue. Now we're going to put a brand new set of strings on. So let's see what happens when we tap the bar. Okay, you be the judge. Watch this. Got my vote.